everyone, how's it going? As you can see, I got old pork chop here on the bench. A little while back I had a break-in. They stole a few things, but they tried to take the lights and shit off here, screwed up my wiring, bunch of other stuff. So today I'm just going to do some work on it, shorten my crank, bring it more this way. We'll see what we can do here. So, backstory this whole thing. I built this bike once and I rebuilt it again, made it longer, did all this on it, made this fork, but it was a pedal bike, but I wanted an e-bike because we live in Vancouver and riding these types of bikes in Vancouver is relatively hard unless you really got good legs, which I don't. So I'm just trying to get to this part that I want to actually do. Yeah, I really love this bike. It rides really well. Boy, she's dirty. Okay, so when I built this bike, I made this too long, basically touching, like I'm reaching right here to hit the ground. So I want to move them up and give me some more clearance. Another BB that I found, cat bike BB, and I'm going to use this one. Alright, how to assess this problem. How to do it right is the problem here. Gotta be careful. Bike is just steadily put here. So, easy. Ow. Easy. Probably not gonna use these cranks. Really weird looking. Here. Wow, these are loose. Yeah, this bike is really fun to ride. It's like riding on a cushion. There's so much flex in it. But it's welded up good. So there's going to be variable factors. I'm going to cut it. I'm just going to cut it. Deal with it later. That's what you do, man. Cut it! I'm going to press one on. So I cut right where I want to cut and right through. So here we go. We're cutting it. We're cutting it. That's dangerous. Cut myself. I've been running that craps game for a long time and I've been winning. No more. I just caught the end of it here. Wasn't paying attention to what I was doing. A lot of tension there. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna go right there. Alright, so I got that cleaned up best as I care about cleaning it up. So I'd like to go in there. Yep, that's what we're doing. Alright, I got my mess, got it out. Got it, I'm going. Doing it. Probably fucked it up, but I'm doing it. Don't know what to do. Cut it a little too much. I think we'll be fine. Find a reference point. 41.5. Alright, I got my booger welds on there. I got her on. Ow, that's hot. I just need the weld underneath. And we're going to put these ones on here. And I'm going to figure out how to put the derailleur on it. So that'll be the next episode. Repairing pork chop. She's a good old bike. She deserves it. Love this bike. It is so fun to ride. So peace out, everyone. Remember, go on my channel here, YouTube. Subscribe and comment. And look at the Win the Chop and Flop video. And you can win that. So peace out, everyone. Have a good day. Remember, helmets on, clips in, and go, 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 go.